You shall love your neighbor as yourself. It's one of the most quoted verses in all of Scripture, but rarely understood, because we've reduced love to a feeling or an occasional action. But in Hebrew, the word here is Ahav. It carries the sense of giving or pouring out. For God so loved the world that he gave. In ancient Hebrew thought, you don't just feel Ahav, you enact it. It is the transfer of what you carry, your energy, substance, presence, into another person. To love your neighbor is to invest in their structure, to strengthen it, uphold it, and build it. And neighbor is deeper than proximity. It comes from ra'ah, which means to pasture, to shepherd, to tend. So this isn't casual kindness, it's intentional care. Then comes the anchor, as yourself, Kamaka. This is identification. It means you love them because they are like you, not separate, not other, a mirror of your own system. If you perceive separation, there is division within you. But when you recognize likeness, that division collapses. So love is not just an emotion. Love is what is within you, being revealed and given. And this is why the verse says, as yourself. Because you can only give what you can actually carry. If you are divided within yourself, your love will feel inconsistent or fragmented. But when you are aligned with God, spirit, soul, and body in agreement, your love becomes steady, whole, life-giving. This isn't just about how you treat others. It's about who you become. Because when you are unified within, you don't have to try to love. You naturally give what is already whole inside of you. That is Ahav.